Good morning, sixth grade. Hope you all had a great weekend. Some of you still need to get the grocery project done from last week. Make sure and get that turned into me. Most everybody's got it in, but if you fell behind a little bit last week or you weren't able to complete it, get that turned in. Today, we're going to enter the wonderful world of credit cards. You've probably seen TV commercials because they're always trying to get people to open up new credit cards. Lenders can't wait to let you borrow money from them. So we're going to talk about them briefly today, and then I'll get to your assignment in just a couple minutes. But first, understand, every time you see a piece of plastic in someone's hand when they're shopping, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a credit card. There are debit cards and credit cards, and they work very different. What you see right here is a debit card. It looks like a credit card. It's got numbers on it. It's got name. It even has the little MasterCard symbol there. But understand it says debit. Now, what a debit card is that is a card that's connected to my checking account. So if I have $500 in my checking account and I go to the grocery and spend $150, when I slide that card, the cash pulls straight from my checking account and goes to the store that I made the purchase at. So debit cards, understand, are connected to our accounts. We're spending our money. It just gives me a way that I can shop without having to pull cash out of my pocket. So that's a debit card. Now, you can also purchase online. There's security little golden things there, that keeps your money safe as it's being transferred. But understand that debit cards are connected to our checking accounts. So whenever we spend money, it's our own money. It's coming out. It's going directly to that store out of our bank account. Credit cards, on the other hand, which look almost identical, the color's different, but you'll see it's still backed up. It's a MasterCard. It has the little security stuff. It's a diamond preferred, special little numbers. Looks like this belongs to Larry Walker. I'm sure that's probably a fake name. But credit cards are a bit different. They're not connected to my checking account. They're not connected to any account. What a credit card is where the company of MasterCard says, hey, Mr. L. Walker, we'll loan you a certain amount of money anytime you want it. So understand, this is not connected to my bank account if I have this card. This card is just simply a way that I can borrow money from MasterCard for a short period of time. So when I go into the store to buy $150 worth of groceries and I slide it on this card, there's no cash that's coming out of my account. MasterCard is actually loaning the money to me at that point in time, and they're passing their money on to the store. So then I have to eventually pay back MasterCard. And as you guys know, as we've talked about, you can't borrow money for free. So whenever I pay back MasterCard, if I carry that amount of money on the card for a little while, say more than a month, they're actually going to charge me interest on the amount of money that I borrowed when I used it. So understand, debit cards, these pieces of plastic, they're attached to our checking account. And when we use them, money comes directly out of our account. Credit cards, there is no account attached to them. So MasterCard is loaning me the money, and then I have to pay MasterCard back at some point in time in the future. The longer I wait to pay them back, the more money it costs me. So that's kind of a brief overview of credit cards. We're going to get into them in more detail because I think it's very important that you guys know as early as possible how they work so that you can start deciding as you get older if it's something that you think you need to be participating in. So today, how we're going to learn a little bit more about this is there is an article here called How Do Credit Cards Work? And it's got a lot of info. It tells you exactly how credit cards work. Now, I understand in your sixth grade mind, you're seeing me scroll through these words and you're thinking, oh my gosh, it will take me forever to read this. No, that's not true. You can read through this in about probably 10 minutes. So take your time, read through it. Now, understand, in order to get credit for today's work, you have to take some article notes. What article notes are is it means as you read, you're thinking about the things you read, and you either have questions or thoughts. So as you have a question, maybe there's a word you don't understand, or maybe there's something that didn't quite make sense. When you come across something like that, I want you to type it here. What your question is. What is APR? Or, where does the credit card company get all their money? Any thought or idea that comes through your mind as you're reading about the topic, type it in here. You need a minimum of 6 comments. 6 comments. And also, I don't understand or this is confusing is unacceptable. You need to be specific. If something is confusing, say exactly what it is. So make sure we're not just saying, I don't know, or this is boring. That's not what we're looking for. I'm looking for meaningful comments that you have or questions as you read through this. So take your time. It's not that complicated, but you are going to have a little bit of quiet reading time today. And remember, you need 6 comments on here. I've given you room for 12. You don't have to fill it up. Have to have at least 6. So take some time, do some reading, see what you can learn about credit cards today, and then tomorrow we'll come back and we'll talk a little bit more about this article in detail. Cool. See you.